Hey, how you doing? Austin here with a video related to what I consider to be one of the best penny stocks there is, bar none. That penny stock, I'm not going to hold you. I'm not going to hold you in suspense for too much longer. That penny stock is Hive. I believe in this stock fundamentally. The reason is number one, it is the number one largest Ethereum coin miner, publicly traded company. Didn't know that. Now you do. And subsequently, more importantly, if you believe in the fundamental scenario that as Bitcoin and Ethereum rise in value, that the mining operations will rise in value, then it makes sense that this is an extremely good investment at these levels. And that's really what I want to talk about. So what I want to do is, through this video, I want to take you through what's currently going on with Hive, take you into a piece of interesting information that shows some financials, what they're doing with their coins, and kind of what their future outlook looks like, as well as we're going to look at the Hive chart. We're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, and overall kind of talk about the scenario as Hive is related to those particular coins. And more importantly, I want to point out that I am going to make an investment in Hive myself. I'm going to buy this stock. It's going to be one of the first penny stocks I've bought in quite a while. That's how much I believe in this stock. I am extremely bullish on Hive because I believe in the two opening statements that I just made, that they are the largest Ethereum publicly traded miner out there. They are really focused on Ethereum. They do mine Bitcoin, but the majority of what they mine is Ethereum. You're going to see some numbers in a minute. If you haven't seen them, you're going to see how much more Ethereum versus Bitcoin they mine. And Ethereum has gone up in value. I did a video about a week and a half ago. At the time, Ethereum was trading at around 1,700, and now it's trading at over 2,000. And so I own Ethereum as well. So my stance is, hey, why not invest in this? Because I believe in Ethereum, and I believe that it's going to go up. And I've said this all along. I own Mara. I own Riot. I believe fundamentally that if you want to be involved in crypto, the best way to do it, if you can't afford to buy the coins themselves, is to buy the mining operation companies that are out there, the big guys, Mara, Riot, etc. And I think Hive is the next Mara and Riot. I think that this stock will going to do well. I think it's going to go. I think it's going to at least double, if not higher, in the next year. And the sky's the limit. I mean, with Bitcoin going to 100,000 plus, and by 2022, Ethereum going to go up crazy. I think that Hive is going to go right along with them, and that's what we're going to talk about more today. So I realize that was a long opening statement, but I really feel very strongly about this penny stock, and I'm really excited about it, and I'm going to be buying it myself. And so, with all that said, this video is for entertainment purposes only, as always. And if you're getting value out of this video, please drop a like on it. It helps me tremendously. I want this video to help you basically make better choices about, or help you, with your stock buying decisions, and maybe give you some information that you didn't know about before, maybe about Hive or penny stocks. If you're looking for a penny stock, this one that may not have been on your radar, and I'm going to open your eyes to how good of one this potentially is. And that's my goal, is to help you make more money in the market. So please consider subscribing to the channel, because I'm here making these videos for you every single day, 1 to 2 videos a day. So with all that said, let's go take a look at Hive. So Hive ended trading yesterday at $4.10, down 2.38. The NASDAQ had a good day. Hive overall finished down for the day. And I want to real quickly show you this in case you're not aware. I'm assuming you are. Their market cap is 1.88 billion Canadian. Can't get it to highlight. There we go. The year range has been 14 cents to 5.75. The day range is 4 to 4.15. That's what it traded at yesterday. And again, it did trading yesterday at 4.10. Again, I am going to buy at these levels. I think that overall, this stock is a buy. Now, I'm looking to buy it long term. Okay, I'm not looking to buy and flip and be a short-term investment. I am looking to buy long term for really two main reasons. Number one, Hive is the largest publicly traded Ethereum miner there is. That's number one. Number two, I firmly believe that cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's part of our culture. It is not going away. And I believe that the currencies themselves, Bitcoin, Ethereum, are going to continue to rise. Bitcoin's going to be 100,000 plus per coin, I believe, by 2022. Ethereum is going to follow right along with it and just continue to rise. If you look at Bitcoin right now, It ended trading yesterday at 57,685. Ethereum into trading at 2,066. As I said, I did a video just about a week and a half ago, and Ethereum was 1,700 a coin. I own Ethereum. I do not own Bitcoin, just full disclosure, and I firmly believe that both of these cryptos are going to continue to rise. And it is a well-known fact that the mining companies historically have almost been better investments than the coins themselves. Okay, so again, to me, that this is a penny stock, number one, and the fact that it's backed really effectively by the market of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, to me, it's a win-win, right? And so I can buy this mining stock, to me, at a discount. I realize that right now, trading in 6 months, it's trading pretty much kind of in the trend line that it's always been trading in. But you can see that, I kind of wish I would have picked it back up here in the dollars or so. But I'm going to keep coming back. The fact that they're the largest Ethereum mining operation out there is extremely attractive to me. Look at Ethereum. In the last 6 months, Ethereum itself has gone up 489%, and in the last year, it's gone up 1,000%. If you look at Bitcoin, 6 months, 428. 1 year, 682%. Actually, Ethereum has outpaced it overall percentage growth. These are going to continue to grow and grow and grow. Very near future, Bitcoin is going to pass 60,000 per coin. And Hive, Mara, Riot, they will all benefit from the rising coin prices. Okay, so real quickly, I want to point out a few things. This particular sell-off right here, kind of in the late February to about the March 8th timeframe, was when the overall NASDAQ correction happened. So the stock dropped 29% from those particular highs. Again, really, that was a NASDAQ, an overall market correction. So if you look at kind of where it was at on its of low of 350 right there on March 5th, it immediately rebounded very nicely from March 5th to March 9th, 20%. And then you've got another little small correction really in this scenario where the NASDAQ for those particular time period, kind of March 11, 24, yes, there were green days, but there were kind of really, there was quite a few red days in there as well. So if you kind of look at that, that's kind of what I kind of view that as that's the reason for that dip. So if you look at the overall low here from March 24th up, you see we now gained back 42% and then gave a little bit back April 5th to April 6th. And now I think that the stock is starting to go back up and going to start its trend line back up. Okay, again, Bitcoin 57,000, it's going to go up. Thus, again, Hive's going to go up a little with it. Okay, real quickly, I want to show you the piece of information that I have for you. So Hive blockchain sees Bitcoin and Ethereum portfolio grow 300% in the last 3 months. So they released a piece of information on April 7th. That realized that Hive had revealed that its coin inventory value increased by 300% in just 3 short months. Hive investors will notice that the company's cryptocurrency portfolio was only valued at US $15 million on December 31st, and now it's worth $60 million as of March 31st. So how did they increase their stock inventory so fast? New mining production, number one, aided by rising prices in respective cryptocurrencies, helped increase the dollar value of Hive's coin portfolio. Okay, so you can see right here, since the beginning of this year, Hive blockchain has been holding its mined Bitcoin and Ethereum coins and banking them in cold wallets. By the end of March, the company had over 320 Bitcoin and over 20,030 Ethereum coins. Remember, Ethereum, they are the largest publicly traded Ethereum miner there is. That's what I like about them. I like that they're doing Bitcoin, yes, but I really love that they are mining Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum did better 1 year versus Bitcoin over, from a percentage growth, right? I am not saying that Ethereum is better than Bitcoin. That's not my point. I'm pointing out the simple fact of what the numbers are, is that Ethereum is definitely one of the other largest crypto currencies out there. And again, I own Ethereum, so I'm a huge believer in it. I'm a huge believer in Bitcoin as well, by the way. Okay, so prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum rose by more than 200% during the first 3 months of this year. The company's coin inventory value increased, obviously. But look at this. Hive stock outperformed both Bitcoin and Ethereum over the past 3 months. I thought that was great. Again, that kind of goes back to what I've already mentioned, is that the mining stocks themselves tend to outperform percentage gains than the actual coins, okay? So the faster the company mines stocks and coins, the better support it gives to its stock valuation, okay? We know that. This was a quote from, I believe, their CEO. Our strategy is to continue holding coins that we feel will benefit our shareholders. The dollar value of our crypto assets at fiscal year end was approximately $60 million, and cash was $36 million. Management stated in Wednesday's update, the company promises to mine and hold crypto coins for its investors' benefit. I believe the new strategy could be successful if the rapidly increasing transaction fees on Ethereum transactions hold long term. Ethereum has gone up in the last month, 12%, 6%. 6 months, 489%. Ethereum has gone up and up and up. Okay, although the company held on to coins mined during the current quarter, it appears to have also sold a significant portion. Okay, they did mine quite a few coins. It looks like they produced anywhere near the 21,000 in the previous quarter of Ethereum in respect to Bitcoins. Then they did sell some, but I think their plan is to hold more because they are financing operations via the selling of coins, okay? So it looks like they probably mined between 33 and 34,000 Ethereum coins, which means they sold probably about 13,000 Ethereum coins to fund operations. It's encouraging to see Hive Blockchain increase its coin inventory, and that's what cryptocurrency we want to see them holding. But obviously, their strategy is that they are financing operations through selling of coins, which is fine as long as they're continuing to hold a large percentage of them. So let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. As I said earlier, I am going to be buying Hive stock. I'm going to be doing it in the very near future. I'm going to be adding it to one of my portfolios. I think that this is a long-term, very good play. Yes, it's a penny stock. Yes, it will have volatility. Yes, it will have volatility associated with the rise and fall of crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. I'm okay with that. I own Mara. I own Riot. To me, that's part of the ride. I call it the crypto roller coaster ride. It is part of the ride, and a Hive will do the same. Although Hive hasn't, well, I was going to say hadn't really been moving, but yes, it has. Sorry for the edit. Somebody came to the door. My dogs lost their mind, so I apologize. I had to stop recording and then to wrap up with a few, again, final thoughts. So I'm going to end the video there. I firmly believe in the stock. Long-term play, 12 months plus. I think it's a really good opportunity. I just saw I got a little piece of hair sticking up there. That's kind of crazy. It's a long-term opportunity, and I'm viewing it as a 12 months out. So that's how I'm looking at it. I'm not looking at it short-term. It's long-term. I think the stock's going to go up from there. Run it through your own due diligence and give it some thought. I'm a believer, and I'm adding it to my portfolio. So I'm very bullish on the stock, and I'll continue to report on it as new information comes out because I'm a fan. All right, guys. I'll see you later in the next video. Take care. Bye.